Hello everyone, this is Rohit Khemchandani and welcome to Stratigem. Today we will explore one of the most powerful productivity pairings in consulting today, which is Notion and GPT. So consultants live in a world of documents, frameworks, data and collaboration. Notion provides the flexible workspace. GPT adds intelligence, automation and insights. So together they form an AI augmented workspace that radically improves consulting delivery. In this session, we will cover why Notion plus GPT is so effective, use cases across the consulting lifecycle, risks to watch, and a framework for building your own AI augmented consulting workspace. So we'll start with why Notion and GPT matters. So consulting work is a information intensive, multiple frameworks, countless decks, docs, and spreadsheets. Client collaboration across time zones. Hence, consulting work is quite information incentive. So Notion centralizes knowledge. GPT makes it smarter, helping consultants focus on insight and not admin. How Notion works for consultants. So Notion is more than a note-taking app. It is a consulting OS that enables knowledge management, playbooks, frameworks, client notes, etc., project management, tasks, timelines, deliverables, databases, market research libraries, competitive benchmarks, and collaboration, real-time edits and shared spaces. So it is flexible enough to adapt to different consulting styles. Now we'll see how GPT enhances Notion. So GPT turns Notion into an intelligent workspace, summarizes lengthy reports, generates first draft slides or case studies, analyzes market data and identifies the insights, answers client queries with context from your workspace. So the result is less time formatting, more time strategizing. Now we'll see use cases across consulting life cycle. So first is proposal stage. So GPT drafts proposal and Notion organizes the templates. The second is discovery stage. In this, GPT summarizes client interviews and Notion stores insights in searchable databases. After this comes the analysis stage. In this, GPT analyzes datasets, runs scenarios narratives, and Notion structures frameworks like SWOT or Porter's five forces. On the fourth step, it comes the strategy design. So GPT drafts strategic options. Notion captures feedback in collaborative boards. After this comes the delivery stage. So GPT creates client-ready reports and Notion centralizes project dashboards. The last is post-engagement. So GPT generates lessons learned docs and Notion retains IP for future projects. So together they cover end-to-end consulting. Now we'll see a few case studies. So talking about a boutique consulting firm. So it reduced project delivery time by 30% by integrating GPT into the Notion dashboards. Talking about a freelance consultant. So a freelance consultant used GPT to draft proposals in Notion, increasing win rates. And an enterprise strategy team used this by centralized frameworks in Notion with GPT generating insights on competitor data. Now we'll see the risks and challenges. So first is data privacy. Sensitive client data must be protected. Over reliance. Consultants must still apply judgment. Consistency. GPT outputs need human editing for tone and accuracy. And lastly, adoption curve. So teams must learn new workflows. Now in this, consultants can build AI augmented Notion workspaces for clients, train teams on workflows, ensure balance between automation and expertise, and consultants can also turn consulting IP into structured assets. Now we'll see the five-step framework. So first is centralize. Move all frameworks and notes into Notion. Then connect, which is integrate GPT for summaries, drafts, and Q&A. Customize, tailor templates for industries or clients. Then collaborate, use shared workspaces for real-time input. And finally, codify. Turn learnings into reusable consulting assets. So in conclusion, GPT plus Notion is the consulting workspace of the future. It saves time, improves insight quality, and preserves knowledge. So consultants who adopt it build leverage, and those who don't risk fall behind. So ask yourself, that is your consulting powered by static documents or by an AI augmented workspace? So thank you for joining in this session. Hope you liked this video. Please do like and subscribe our channel. And if you have any suggestions or feedbacks, please post them in the comment section below. Thank you.